Okay, guys, so I think we're doing fireworks right now. This is only part 1 and 2 because these are the only fireworks we're doing right now. All right. So they're the rest, but we're doing the tanks right now.
Yeah, guys. Hey, what's up, guys?
Who's guys? Who are guys?
Our viewers.
Okay.
I hear the tanks.
Throw that in the recycle bin in the garage.
Oh, he's not gonna like
Can I
it.
have this?
Wait, yeah,
It's
you
not
record. Wait, no.
Cold Ollie, okay?
May?
Those are tanks, okay? They're like little tanks, okay?
Take it away. My dad's lighting them.
Just come over here. Guys, we got tanks over there.
He's not gonna like it.
You don't have to get that far away.
I know. It's just cool. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Right there.
Exciting stuff, man.
Look at it's tanks firing. Oh god, there's
It's like a
smoke.
big pop back to them, right? Oh, they don't? I thought they did. Oh, it smells actually really good. It smells like butter.
Guys.
And popcorn.
It's a tank.
Holly wants to see them.
It's Godzilla in the tanks. Guys, it's a tank. There's a lot of smoke, guys.
These are just,
These are just the first ones. We got so many more.
but we're not doing them right now. This is only part
4th
1.
of July, baby. If you've been, well, you probably haven't been following our channel, but like, if you have, oh, Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day! Even though it's actually 4th of July. It's tanks.
Mosquito Joe in the house. Oh, J-Bone. Watch out. Look at this guy.
Get out my house! Get off my land!
Get off
There's a
my grass.
There's a hawk over there, and Ollie can easily get picked up by a hawk.
Yeah.
Oh God!
That looks like a good one.
Run!
Run.
Yep, that's not a good one.
I can probably get a little
Oh,
closer.
yes, that is a good one.
Look at that thing, guys. I don't even have to zoom in anymore.
Look at that tank. 4th of July. Happy 4th of July.
Oh, this one's
It's on fire. The last one was too. It's on fire. Oh, it just steps on. Woo!
Oh, look what Ollie.
It's okay, Ollie.
Oh, Ollie's not gonna like the boomers.
Okay.
Jake,
I'm gonna bring Jake.
Dad, let's
Jake,
only-
hold this. I'll bring Ollie inside, okay?
No, don't bring them in. He'll like kind of. Let's only do 1 right now,
You
Dad.
gotta come over here and like stand over here. Now come over here by the garage.
No, come over here, Jake. We'll go in the. Yeah, he's just bringing Ollie anyway.
I have already told you where you need to be.
In the garage. No, let me bring him in. You can drag him. Come on. This is not better for you. Dad, don't do it yet. We're going in with him. Bring him in.
Then do it.
I'm trying to. All right, Mom, we did the tanks. Now we're doing 1 of the boomers, not all of them, okay?
Oh, you're not going?
All right. There might be 3 parts. We're only doing 1 right now. Then we're gonna end it and do the other one later. Sassy, bougie, classy. Lily.
Then go in through the garage, honey. In through the garage, honey. It's much quicker.
Dad, what do you have to say to the viewers?
Happy Independence Day. Party on!
Don't let Puppy out. All right, we're doing one. Wait, come on,
Can I see
Mom.
this?
We're doing the boomers.
We're doing 1. I don't know what it's
1.
going to do. I think it's going to spin on the ground. We're waiting for your sister. We're
Where is
waiting. Tell her, please. She thinks we're doing it without her now. Y'all's is out of control, baby.
Do we throw it out there or something?
Classy, bougie, classy.
All right, take your time.
nobody's
Is that
gonna
you,
watch
Grandpa?
a 30-minute video, guys.
It's only 5 minutes so far,
It's
so.
a long, long time for nothing going on.
Classic bougie.
Yeah, you guys gotta make shorter clips.
We'll give them entertainment.
Lily?
We're
Alright,
gonna-
entertainment done.
She's coming.
Time for the first, the only boomer we're doing right now. Then when it's actually dark, we'll do the rest.
Hurry up, you're gonna miss it.
Okay, Jake. Run for your
Where's
life.
Ollie? Is he in-
He's inside.
Oh, that's lame. It said it was supposed to spin.
It kind of spun.
Lame, oh, it didn't move at all.
That was boring. That was boring.
The tanks were awesome.
They did what they were supposed to do, and
Here's
that's
a piece of
awesome.
advice. Don't let it run consecutively. Stop it, and then you splice them together. Instead of having a 10-minute video where only 1 minute of action.
Good advice. I'm gonna do that now. Bye, guys.
Yeah, because people's attention
Nobody's
span.
gonna want to watch
We're
5
doing
minutes and then.
rest.
You gotta get
When
people's
it's
attention.
dark out, then we're gonna do our
That was lame, man. That boom was lame.
So you just saw that, and we're gonna do a part 2. Okay, bye.